This Diwali was different for Karishma Kapoor. Amid a heated legal battle over her late ex-husband Sanjay Kapoor's estate, the actress chose to celebrate quietly with her children, Samaira and Kian. Karishma shared a serene moment on Instagram, dressed in a pastel pink ethnic suit, and simply captioned her post, "Positivity." Her sister Kareena Kapoor Khan reacted lovingly, writing, "The strongest girl in the world, my sister. Only positivity to you, my Sam and Q." Sabha Pataudi added, "Tight hug." Karishma's ex-husband, businessman Sanjay Kapoor, tragically passed away in England at the age of 52. Reports say he suffered an anaphylactic shock after reportedly swallowing a bee while playing polo. Now, a legal storm has erupted over his 30,000 crore rupees estate. Priya Sachdev Kapoor, Sanjay's wife, and Karishma's children, Samaira and Kian, are locked in a dispute over the inheritance. Priya's lawyer, Rajiv Nair, told the court that Karishma's children cannot contest the will on bogus grounds. But Karishma's lawyer, senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, noticed glaring errors in the document, even grammatical mistakes suggesting Sanjay was referred to as a woman. The female form of testator is used, testator is now a she. This is an absurdity. Unless Sanjay was of unsound mind incapable of reading English, he could never have signed this. As the legal battle continues, Karishma Kapoor chooses peace, light, and positivity, focusing on her children and cherishing memories of Sanjay Kapoor, who would have celebrated his birthday this month. Malaika Arora, the stunning Bollywood star, is celebrating her 52nd birthday today. And she received a very special wish from none other than actor Arjun Kapoor. Though the two are no longer together, Arjun Kapoor shared a heartfelt picture of Malaika on his Instagram story. Alongside the sun-kissed photo, he wrote, "Keep soaring, keep smiling, and always keep seeking." Arjun and Malaika had a long-standing relationship, though Malaika's past marriage to Arbaz Khan ended after nearly 2 decades, and her relationship with Arjun Kapoor eventually concluded. Even so, the two remain on good terms. Recently, they were seen sharing a warm hug at the screening of Homebound, showing that their bond is one of respect and friendship. Earlier, Malaika addressed the birthday wish in an interview, saying, "I will never choose a public platform to talk about my personal life. So, whatever Arjun has said is entirely his prerogative." She also spoke about maintaining her independence and identity in relationships. "It's good that you're doing things together, but that doesn't mean you kind of give up your entire identity and take on someone else's. As it is, you're taking on somebody else's last name, right? So I think the least you can do is hang on to your own bank account." Malaika also opened up about handling criticism and negativity surrounding her personal life. "I have also figured out a way to deal with it, get strong about it and not let it pull me down, govern me or get the better out of me. I have figured out a way to insulate me to all of it." She added, Yes, it's part and parcel of our lives. There is constantly something, criticism, trolling, but you just need to block out the noise, the negativity, and move on with whatever is positive in your life. Despite past ups and downs, Malaika Arora continues to shine, staying positive, strong, and independent. And Arjun Kapoor's heartfelt birthday wish is a reminder of the warmth and respect that remains between them. After 4 years of investigation, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, has finally concluded its probe into the tragic death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The agency's closure report finds no evidence that Sushant was illegally confined, threatened, or abetted to commit suicide by Rhea Chakrabarti or anyone else. According to officials familiar with the findings, the CBI also found no proof that Rhea embezzled Sushant's money or possessions. In fact, the report notes that Sushant referred to Rhea as family. The report, accessed by the media, stated, none of the accused persons had lived or stayed with him between 8 June 2020 and 14 June 2020, the day he was found hanging in his Bandra flat. It further mentions that while Sushant spoke to Rhea's brother, Shovik Chakrabarti, over WhatsApp on 10 June, there was no contact with Rhea during that time. His sister, Meetu Singh, stayed with him from 8 June to 12 June, just days before his death. But Sushant's family has reacted sharply, calling the CBI's report incomplete and misleading. Their lawyer, Advocate Varun Singh, said, "This is nothing but an eyewash. If CBI really wanted to come out with the truth, it would have submitted all the supporting case documents, including chats, technical records, statements of witnesses, medical records, etc. We will file a protest petition against this closure report, which is based on a shoddy investigation." The report dismisses claims of coercion and embezzlement, adding that when Rhea and her brother left on 8 June, they took only personal belongings, an Apple laptop and watch gifted by Sushant. The CBI also concluded that Sushant's finances were managed by his accountant and lawyer, and all expenses related to Rhea, including their 2019 Europe trip, were legitimate and voluntary. Calling the report flimsy, lawyer Varun Singh added, "Simply saying Sushant's account has not been used to take out funds is not enough. CBI should have provided the bank statement to back its claim." The case that shook the nation is far from over. The next hearing is set for 20th December when a Patna court reviews the closure report. Sushant's family says they won't give up. Their fight for justice continues. There's been a lot of buzz online about Janhvi Kapoor and plastic surgery, from alleged nose jobs to something bizarrely called buffaloplasty. But now, the actress has addressed the chatter with honesty and composure. In the latest episode of Too Much with Kajol and Twinkle, Janhvi joined Karan Johar for a candid conversation that went beyond the usual glamour talk. The actress opened up about beauty standards, self-image, and the stigma surrounding cosmetic procedures. I don't believe in gatekeeping, Janvi shared. I was one of the young girls who was very impressionable with the onset of social media and seeing everyone being judged to look a certain way. I don't want to perpetuate to young girls this idea of perfection. I'm a big believer in you, do whatever makes you happy. I would be very happy to be a completely open book about things. Her statement resonated with many, especially in a time when young people are under constant pressure to meet unrealistic beauty ideals online. Janvi also took a moment to address the viral buffaloplasty rumors that recently made headlines. She calmly dismissed the bizarre claims and emphasized the importance of being responsible and transparent when it comes to beauty choices. I think I have been very intelligent, conservative, and proper about what I have done, she explained. Of course, I had the guidance of my mom and I'd like to share that. Also, as a cautionary tale, because if a young girl sees a video like this and decides मुझे भी ये buffaloplasty करना है and something goes wrong, that would be the worst thing ever. I think transparency is important. With her openness, Janvi sent a strong message about honesty, confidence, and self-acceptance. In a world obsessed with perfection, the actress reminds everyone that true beauty isn't about filters or procedures, it's about being real, embracing who you are, and owning your story.